And welcome to all of you, each and everyone who has joined this in today's session. And in today's session, what we are going to talk about, actually, we have very important data today, which is NFP, non-farm payroll. So this is very, very important data we have today, and we are going to talk about the market opportunities as well. We are going to talk about what is the the result can come out after the NFP result, and what we have to look for, what we have done in this week, and what we have to look for the another week, means at the to our next week, what we are looking for as a main pair to look for the trades. Okay, so this is particular session which we do every Friday or every Saturday with our clients, because it is very, very important to give quick review to the market about how the forex market is running on. So in today's session, I'm going to go very deep with the market understanding and the psychologies of the market, how we have to read the psychology and what we have to look for. Okay, so let me start today's session. Right now I'm means the mute option, means the option of speaking is going to be blocked. If you have any questions, have any queries, just write it down on a chat. And if you have any questions to ask, just write it down on a chat. I will take questions from there. Okay, so let me start today's session, sir. This is a Friday market breakdown, and in this today's session, I'm going to take us some forex pairs to look for the very good on the basis of possibility and the probability, what we have to look for on the basis of price action structures and each and everything. Okay, so let me just start. If you look at this is a GP-JPY. GBP-JPY is very, very good pair for this week. It was very, very nice trade we had in our company as well. We have shared with our clients as well for the long. Previously, at this time when the price was break that level, this was very, very important pair in this week. Was means the structure in GBP-JPY was very, very clear. We are moving on the basis of price action structure. If I talk about, then I will discuss about the psychology as well. On the basis of price action structure, what is it is indicating? The price action structure, it is clearly indicating that because we are moving in this price action structure, which is called the three touch structure, from the low of the second touch, you can see price moved very, very nicely. And as one of the important price action structure, which is impulse correction continuation, found very, very well over here. You can see the price from the low of the structure, price from very, very good impulse move, and then we form what we form very good correction structure. And this is what we have shared with our clients as well, and we have made profit on this as well. You can see, let me just this is a long position. This is a very good trades we had in our it means we have shared with our clients as well, and many of them hope you have capitalized as well. So the structure was very, very clear. The definition of the three touch structure, the price action structure I'm talking about, the definition of this price action structure or the theory behind this price action structure is very, 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 very easy. As whenever I talk about the price action structures, what I'm looking for the demand and supply, or the level from where the demand exceeding in a market, or for the level from where the demand means the supply is exceeding in a market. What is the demand and supply? It is a very, very basic concept of economics, which is also working in a forex market. Or whenever you are doing technical analysis, this is one of the most important thing demand and supply is going to be, because whenever you are doing price action trading, demand and supply will be the integral part. So let me just talk about the theory behind this price action structure first. If I just take this price action structure from the top of the structure, if I look, you can look at this. This is a trading view, by the way. This is a trading view, and this is very, very good platform for analyzing chart. It is very, very good platform for analyzing chart. If you means wanted to analyze chart, this is one of the best platform you can use. It is free, and it is also has a means premium version. So in free version, you have very, very good kind of indicators, and you can use all the things. So this is very, very good tool to analyze price action. This is called the bar pattern. This is called the bar pattern. You can get this in your trading view setup. So what is the price action structure and the theory behind this? If you look at this price action structure perspective, this is what the three touch structure is. The name of this price action structure is three touch. What is the three touch behind? The definition behind, just like I told you, that every price action structure has their own support and resistance. What is the support level at this point? This is what the support level. And what is the resistance level at this point? This is a resistance level from where the price moved down. And this is also going to be a very important resistance from where we are looking for the price should have to move down in GBP-JPY. Because the price is at the top of the structure, the supply is exceeding in a market, and this is what indicating that the price should have to move down. This is what indicating that the price should have to move down in GBP-JPY, because you can see the structure has repeated itself from what whenever the supply is exceeding, this is one of the most important thing you have to understand, that whenever we are at the level of resistance, the supply is increasing in the market, and whenever we are at the low of the support, the demand is increasing. Because whenever the price become cheap, we start buying, and whenever the things become expensive, we start selling. This is a very simple thing which we are doing in our businesses as well. Same thing, treat trading like a business. It is very very easy to understand on the basis of psychology. So if you look at this, what from where the supply is going to increase in a market, from where the supply is going to increase in a market, what happened? The price start moving down, because the supply is telling us that this is a very important resistance level from where the price should have to move down. So this is a clear price action structure, and that is the theory behind this structure. Wherever we look for the price action structures, we have to understand that what is the theory behind this price action structure. So GBP JPY is one of the very important pair for the week ahead, or this week as well. We have for the short, very very clear price action structure. But it is not just every time whenever we are doing forecasting. This is one of the most important thing, and you have to just write it down. This, whenever you are doing for trading in a forex market, you have to understand that there's a two things which is very important. First is the probability, and the second is the possibility. What is the probability? Probability is something that what is again and again repeating itself. This is what the probability is. But what is the possibility? Possibility is something what it can be done if the probability will not work in a market. This is a very simple concept as well. Probability is what is repeating itself again and again. This is what the probability is. So if you look at this on the basis of this price action structure, it is clearly indicating that the probability of this structure should have to go down. But because we have to forecast probable structure and possible structure as well, so what is the possibility if the price will not move down from this level? This is another price action structure which is I'm looking for. If this week, if by the end of this week, means in today, we do not get moved down from this level, then this is a price action structure is going to be. This is also called the ascending channel structure, and this is what called the pattern separation. Pattern separation, it means every price action structure has their own price action patterns. Means there in different time frame there's a different price action structure. So whenever we are looking for the price action structures perspective, or the think about what we have to look for, it is very very important that we should have to focus on the pattern separation parts as well. So whenever we are doing forecasting, this is very very important thing, that we have to forecast possible and the probable outcome. We have to forecast possible and the probable structure. So on the basis of the probability, it is saying that this is very very important resistance level. This is also a good price action structure. This is also very very good price action structure, which is called the three touch. If the price will not move down from this level, then what we have this price action structure to look over on. And because this is also a right price action structure, which we cannot argue with that. Trading, it is very very important thing that you cannot argue with the market. You have to work according to the how market is reacting, on the basis of reaction to the other traders. Because we as a retailer, we have only 30% share in this market. 30% share, the 30% volume is created by the retailers, and like you and me as a trader. But the 70% market is run by the most big corporate firms, or very very big investment giants who are working in this financial industries. So this is very very important thing you have to understand. Every time whenever you are doing forecasting in a market, or you are taking some position in a market, you have to understand that there's a two things which is happen whenever we are doing trading on the basis of price action structures. It is very very important that we have to look for the important possible and the probable structures. So the probability of this price action structure is clearly indicating that this is very important resistance level. Because why? Because every time whenever the price moved at this level, what happened? Every time whenever the price move at this level, what happened? The price moved down. Same thing. So what is the thing you have to understand, that this is a level from where the price can move down as well. But is that 100% confirmation? No. Because why? Because probability and the possibility is working in a market. So this is what I have forecasted. I have forecasted for means GBP JPY. If the price will give us an indication, means this is one of the most important thing as well. Whenever we are doing trading, we have to understand that trading, whenever we trade on the basis of just indication, we always lose money. Because in this forex market, the market is 24/7 available, and whenever you are doing something which is not confirmed, which on the basis of confirmation, you can't make money from that. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, so this is what I'm explaining to you. Every time whenever you do forecast, understand that forecast possible and the probable structure. Forecast on the basis of what is going to be happen and what is means what is you are looking for and what it can be happen. Okay, so this is what I need to explain you about the theories behind this structure. Now let me just take example. Okay, this is good. So this is good means the question you asked me that to take a higher time frame, that is completely okay. And this is what the price action structures always tell us. Whenever we look for the higher time frame structure, it is very important to means higher time frame give us a direction towards things. Whenever you are trading on the basis of higher time frame structure give you a direction towards things. If you look at this is a higher time frame structure. This is a 4 hourly time frame structure. What is the price action structure you are forming? Same, the price action structure forming is the same. You can see first touch, second touch, and from the third touch of the structure, because the supply is very high at this point, we are at the top of the high value area. What we look for, we first of all we have to look for the possible outcome. Possible outcome means what it can be happen. But the problem is the probability is also that it can break the structure. If the price will break the structure, what will be the another factors or the price action structure we have to look for? This is going to be another price action structure which we have to look for the trade, and from that level then we will go for short. This is what I am telling to you, that whenever we are doing forecasting, we have to understand that we have to forecast possible and the probability structure. This is a probability of the structure. This is what indicating that the price should have to move down from this level. But on the basis of its possibility, it is also happened that if the price will break this level successfully and close above this trend line, then it will be higher possible that the price will have to move up, and from that level we will again get a short. Because why? Because this is very important resistance level. If you look at this in a daily time frame, in a daily time frame structure, the price is very close to the means resistance level. And because this is also will be a high value area, why we call it as a high value area? Because if you look at this is very important resistance level. Although because we have a this important resistance level, and we also have very close to that third touch structure, so supply will again increase in this level in a market. This is what I have to explain to you about the psychology of the structure. So now tell me just about one thing. If you let me just talk about the thing that when we have to get enter into the market and when we have to getting exited in the market, this is a whole different concept. Means to getting enter into the market and to getting exited from the market is again a different concept of the trading. For that you have to understand that how you are looking to means to trade yourself. As a trader, you are a you are a day trader, you are a swing trader. If you are a trader on the trade on the basis of swings, then you have an opportunity to take a risk entry at this point. If you are a swing trader, then you have opportunity to take a risk entry at this point, because you can see we also forming a pattern separation part, which is a ascending channel structure in a lower time frame as well. If I just move to the 15-minute time frame, you can see we also forming this price action structure. This is also price action structure which is called the ascending channel. If you are a swing trader, then this structure can work for you as well. But if you are a day trader, then it will be a very risky entry for getting involved in a market right now for the short. But if you are a swing trader who's trading on the basis of swing, who can hold the positions on their own, so this will be a very good structure. The price action structure, this is also a price action structure which is telling us that the price should have to move down. So this is what means a different concept, which is you have to understand by the basis means on the basis of your trading behavior in a market. What types of trades you do? You trade on the basis of swing, on the basis of means higher time frame. So it's up to you. Okay, so this is what I need to explain to you about the GPJPY. GPJPY is very good on the basis of price action structures. We can look this trade for the short from this level as well, because this is very high risk entry. This will be definitely a risk entry setup. Because why we are calling risk entry? Because the probability at this point is very high. The probability of the structure is high. That is why we are calling this as a risk entry setup. When the probability is going to go low and we take a reduced risk entry setup, that will be a different thing. So this is what I need to explain to you about the GBP JPY. It is very clear on the basis of price action structure. You should definitely